Hi everyone, my name is Dylan and today I'd like to share with you 6 of my top tips for making your link in bio professional, on brand, and really beautiful to look at. First impressions really do matter in the pursuit of finding new customers, which is why GoDaddy Studio puts great design at the forefront. This is evident right up front when selecting the perfect template for your brand. Each one of these has been professionally designed with its own flavor and personality. So my first tip would simply be to let your instincts lead you to the design you feel is most in sync with your brand's character and visual identity. They're all free, by the way. Okay, now my second tip is to include your logo on your link in bio page. Now, designing your own logo is one of the most popular applications of GoDaddy Studio. We have templates, graphics, fonts, and tools to make the process quick and easy. Once you have your logo, you can save it in your logos folder in the app, and then when we tap on this placeholder at the top of the screen, the folder opens up and we can tap to add it to our link in bio page. If you already have a logo design and it's saved on your device, you can simply add it from your photos folder. Tip number 3 involves customizing your feature image with GoDaddy's graphics and filters. Like the header image on a website, the hero image on your link in bio page is the focal point for any new visitor. So let's make it a goodie. You can add any image you have on your device or dip into a bottomless well of really high quality, high-res images in the Unsplash library, again, all for free. But it's worth remembering that the GoDaddy Studio image editor is just a few taps away within the same app, so why not try out a unique style that makes your feature image really grab attention and reflect your brand's unique aesthetic. The background of your link in bio page is another opportunity to use a customized image, and the same advice applies. But at the same time, be aware that using a photograph in the background runs a risk of becoming a little busy on the eye. So my fourth tip would be to think about searching for minimalist abstract images like textures, gradients, or perhaps skies to keep your page easy on the eye. Another great idea under the same umbrella would be to make a custom background with graphics in the app. Try searching for background, wallpaper, or pattern in the graphics library to try out options like these, which are all easy to imagine as link in bio backgrounds. Alright, tip number 5 is to play around with our incredible color palette tool, which lets you try out a wide range of color combinations, all curated into design styles like bold, street, playful, elegant, retro, and so on. But the best part is tapping on the palette to cycle through different color combinations for your full design. So there's no need to go in and change the color of individual elements or match them harmoniously. Simply tap, tap, tap until you hit on the perfect combo. If you already have your brand's unique color palette saved in the app, it'll appear in this tray and work in the same way. And if you want your color palette to take its lead from the feature image on your page, then the color palette tool can magically sample colors from this image to create a palette which you'll find at the far right hand side of the tray. My final piece of advice is to play around with the layers of your design to further customize your page to your liking. Like all GoDaddy Studio templates, tapping on this sandwich-looking icon up top will open up the layers view, and here you can reshuffle the various sections of your page around by simply dragging them. Alright, so those are my top tips, but why don't you try it out for yourself by downloading the free app right now. All the links you need are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. It would be great if you could subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.